Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you're a return customer, I appreciate that. So today I just want to explain, this video is an explanation if you're going to replace our power steering pump on a Chevy Traverse. They apply to Acadia and the other one. So this is the power steering pump. This is the part number right there. I just want to explain to you. You must make sure you have this guy, 27031. You must make sure you have this guy. If you don't have this, don't even think about doing the job. I will explain it in a little while, you know. So you're gonna have this guy also. If you don't have that guy, that's fine. That's fine, you know. This is what I use to take off the belts. But if you don't have that, you can still do it. All you need to do is to have this guy. So this guy will replace that. This will be able to take it off. And you're gonna need this is to take off the tire, 7/8. You're gonna have this 10 to take off the 10 bolt. Then you're gonna have this 15. So if you don't have a swivel head, it's okay. What I did was I just connected this, you know, to this. Then you turn it into swivel, you know. So now bringing out the pump. It's an explanation if you're gonna do it, but if you follow my explanation, you will be able to do it. I guarantee you that if anything comes. So this is the power steering pump, right? The pump is gonna be sitting on the car like this. It's gonna be sitting on the car like this. So here is the bolt that is coming right here. It's gonna be a 15 bolt. Then on this side right here, you can see it, right? So the other bolt is gonna be coming like this. That bolt is gonna be like, I'll say like 12 o'clock. It's gonna be right there. So this bolt here is easy to get to. This one is the one you're gonna use the swivel to come to the back. So what you're gonna do, you have to have an extension like this, to come all the way to the back to break that guy loose. So what I would advise you break it loose first. If you're gonna use the power gun, you can use that. So there's gonna be a hose coming up here. There's gonna be a hose coming right here like this. I'm just using this as an example. That hose is gonna have a 2 clamp. That hose is very difficult if you take out the clamp to push it up. So what I would advise you is there's gonna be a 10 bolt right here. They used to tie that hose with a clamp on it. So you take off that 10 bolt. When you take off that 10 bolt, you just pull out that little thing that is going in here. There's gonna be a seal. You replace it with a new one. Then this is the other thing that you have to do. There's gonna be a pipe coming right down here that you're gonna use this 16 to lose. 16 to take off that. Once you do all of that, now we come to the bigger part that I was telling you. So here is the pulley. Now you have to take off the pulley. That's why you need this. So you're gonna need this guy. This guy is gonna come to play here. And this guy, let's say the pulley is sitting up here like this. This guy is gonna come right here. These 2 guys gonna come on top of the pulley right here like this. Then this guy is gonna come up right here like that. Then you're gonna have a power gun to be able to screw it down to pull out that pulley. Once the pulley is out, now to put the pulley back in, this guy's already done his job. His job is finished. Then we'll put this guy back here. We don't need this guy no more. Now we're gonna come to this guy. This is gonna be the key player now to put that back, that pulley. This guy is gonna come like this, sitting on top of the pulley. Then you're gonna tie it all the way down. Once you tie it all the way down, you can use just like a socket. You just keep tying it, then the pulley will be going down, then the pulley will sit right. Just like that. So that's gonna be a little tough thing to do if you don't. So what I will advise you, if you don't have this, don't worry. You go to AutoZone. AutoZone is gonna have this guy for you. Go to your local store, rent this from one of the AutoZone. You rent it from there, then you use it, you give it to them back, just like that. So that's pretty much it. This is all you have to do this job. Question, comments, you know what to do. You can call me, you can send me a comment, I will reply you. So this will be all on this video. KG just doing explanation. I did the job already, but I just wanted to help somebody out there to save money. Please consider subscribing. I will see you on my next episode. KG saying peace. We are gone.